Both businesses and residents in Uttam Nagar need mapping services. Having accurate and current maps is essential for navigating Delhi due to the city's rapid urbanization and growth. In Uttam Nagar and the neighboring areas, Scon Design, a reputable Delhi-based business, provides outstanding mapping services. The precise, dependable, and approachable nature of the maps they produce is a result of their skill in cartography and GIS technology. Access to precise maps is very helpful whether you are a resident in Uttam Nagar or a company owner. Services for mapping can be used by businesses to organize their marketing campaigns, find potential clients, and streamline delivery routes. Individuals can identify the quickest and most practical routes to their destinations, saving time and effort, with the aid of trustworthy maps. Scon Design recognizes the need of precise mapping services in Uttam Nagar and works to meet their clients' demands by offering solutions. Scon Design specializes at producing precise maps of Uttam Nagar using cutting-edge mapping tools and methods to collect data from multiple sources and transform it into useful visual representations. They use Geographic Information System (GIS) technology. This enables them to precisely record crucial information, like roads, landmarks, and areas of interest. Scon Design makes sure that users have access to all the information required for efficient navigation by adding this data into their maps. Scon Design's competence in cartography is one of the major benefits of selecting them for mapping services in Uttam Nagar. Their staff of expert cartographers has years of expertise producing maps that are both aesthetically pleasing and simple to interpret. Scon Design works hard to provide top-notch maps that are both educational and aesthetically beautiful since they are aware of how much a well-designed map can enhance the user experience. For both individuals and businesses in Uttam Nagar, mapping services are crucial. It is essential to have accurate and current maps to get around Delhi because of its increasing urbanization and growth. Excellent mapping services are provided in Uttam Nagar and the nearby areas by the well-known Delhi company Scon Design. The maps they produce are accurate, dependable, and user-friendly because to their competence in cartography and GIS technology. Having access to precise maps is very advantageous whether you are a resident or a company owner in Uttam Nagar. Businesses can use mapping services to organize their marketing campaigns, find potential clients, and streamline delivery routes. Having accurate maps can help people locate the fastest, most convenient routes to their destinations, saving them time and effort. Scon Design recognizes the significance of precise mapping services in Uttam Nagar and works to match the expectations of their customers. Scon Design specializes at using cutting-edge mapping software and methods to